Korean hand acupuncture is a fantastic medicine, and not a lot of people know about it. But essentially what it is it's using the hand as a microsystem. Just like the face can tell you everything, the hand can too. And you can treat the hand, and it'll treat menopausal symptoms. The way the Koreans look at it is if you think of the hand like an anteater. Here's the anteater's head, here's its front legs, here's its back legs, here's its spine. What they would do to treat your menopausal or androgenic symptoms for prostate and so forth would turn the animal over and treat the central line, just like I told you on the face here. So we would turn the animal over and treat its face all the way to its tail on its front side. So what they would do is they'd have your hand open and they'd stimulate with a probe or needles, but sometimes not even needles is necessary, this whole central line. So what you could do for yourself, if you're do-it-yourselfer, is to massage that middle finger in the inside all the time. So you're on the phone or you're watching TV and you just massage it. Believe there are so many points right here. You can treat back pain beautifully through this. But this is a wonderful method, the anteater, the Korean hand acupuncture, a very good way for you to stimulate that central line. Men and women. Do both. Do both. But either would do. I've done only one and still got wonderful symptom relief. Another wonderful method is the ear is another microsystem. You can see treat the whole body with the ear itself, because the ear is considered an upside-down fetus. So a do-it-yourselfer can just massage their ears while they're talking on the phone. One great worry I have is that all the cell phone use with the heat that it's bringing to the ear is, without our knowledge, is treating the entire body with a lot of heat. Heat is not something you want in this body. Toxic heat is what creates cancer, so heat is not a good thing. So if you would just massage your ear, especially unfold it, it'd be a wonderful thing for a do-it-yourselfer. And what do you do? You're watching TV, you're talking on the phone, you can just massage it. So both ears, bilateral, be good. So that's a wonderful method you can use. Lymph drainage therapy. This is one area. Lymph directly affects emotion. So if you have a lot of depression or you have a lot of emotional upheaval, lymph drainage therapy is probably one of the best things you can do. If I had somebody who was suicidal, the first thing I would have them do is, not first, obviously I would want to stop them from suicide, but I would want them to get lymph drainage therapy, because lymph, when it moves away, will calm emotions. So lymph drainage therapy. It's not quite. It's called the love touch. It's so soft, in fact, when somebody does lymph drainage therapy, oftentimes I think, oh, I paid that much money for that? What's that? But it's so light. The lymph is on the skin all over. We know we have lymph glands here. We've got lymph glands here. We've got lymph glands in the groin. We've got these lymph glands, but those are the big C's. Lymph is all through skin. So even dry brushing helps lymph. The only way that lymph moves is this. It doesn't have a heart to pump it like our vessels. So how it works is peristalsis. It works by gravity. How do you move it? By literally brushing it. It moves about 6 cycles per minute, or 6 movements, versus the heart, which is 60 to 70 beats per minute. So dry brushing helps. So this would be a wonderful thing. Dry brushing, rebounding. There's these machines now that you can actually, it's very, very fast movement. I'm sorry? The 3-point, excellent. And what? Entomology, absolutely. But there's, and electro works as well. But anytime you can move the lymph, you're going to find a change in emotions as well. Acutonus is the use also. It's using vibration, but it's using tuning forks on specific acupuncture points. That also moves lymph and moves qi, moves energy without needles. Gua sha, all it is it's scraping. It's a Thai type of a Thailand type of treatment, but it's using the edge of like a credit card, or the edge to actually stimulate points. Moxibustion is heat. You say, why would I put heat on somebody who's really hot with hot flashes? Because it's tonifying. It's trying to get somebody so that, bring it to fullness.
Your attention, please. The library will be closing in 30 minutes.
Okay.
The second floor restrooms will be closing in 15 minutes.
Okay.
If you need a library card, please go to the customer service desk immediately. Thank you.
I'll fast forward. Full spectrum light therapy is using light to treat the pituitary. You go through the pineal through light, you can get pituitary and feed the mother. Reflexology is a microsystem on the foot. And non-surgical facial toning is an excellent way because the face, again, is a microsystem. So the non-surgical facial toning. And there is a wonderful non-surgical facial toning place in Brentwood that I will be happy to refer you to that does wonderful. Not only will it make it feel like a facelift, but it also will treat the entire body at the same time. So I'd be happy to tell you about that as well.